All right, we are in 10-4, example 3, which is square of a difference. Last example that we did was square of a sum. So basically, only difference between this one and the last one was a minus sign right here. So all it's going to change is a little sign right there in our formula. However, you can still FOIL. If you don't remember this formula, if you're on like a test or a quiz, or let's say you take math, I don't know, 2 years from now and you don't remember this, you can still do FOIL, okay? All right, so here we go. A is still the same. B is still the same. We're going to use A as the first term, B as the second term. And actually what they have here is when they have B, they already factor in the minus sign into the formula. When you do FOIL, you have to always take the minus sign with it. But for this one, we can go ahead and just plug in the pieces. So we have 7D, and then we have 2F. Okay, normally you would always take that minus sign, but in the formula, it's already got it factored in, so we're good to go. Okay, so let's go ahead and see if we can FOIL this out, or not FOIL it out, but do the formula here. So I have 7D squared. So that means I'm going to square the 7 and square the D. So that is 49D squared. Okay. Now for the middle, I'm going to take -2 times 7 times a 2. So that is 14 times 2 is 28, -28. DF. Okay, if they were the same letter, I'd be able to combine those and change the power, but they're not, so they're going to go side by side. The last piece is the 2F squared. I'm going to square the 2 and square the F, so that makes positive 4F squared. And you would get the same answer if you were to FOIL that top part.